We'll guide you through how to download and install Counter-Strike 2, also known as CS2, on a PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do as it's a really great game. So to go and get started, you need to go and open up a web browser. Now CS2 or Counter-Strike 2 is on a game marketplace called Steam. So go and search for Steam and you can come to the official site. Go to the top right and go and click on Install Steam and press Install Steam. Now the Steam setup is going to go and download. You can go and find it in your Downloads folder in your File Explorer, and all you need to do is go and run this. Go and install it like any other app and go and run it. You'll then need to go and create a Steam account if you don't already have one, but you can do that in the launcher. Then you can go and open it up. Tap on the search in the top right and you can go and type in Counter-Strike like so. Then you can go and click on it and you can go and scroll down and you can click on Add to Library. Then go to the top and click on Library and you can see it to the left. Go and click on it, go and click Install and choose where you want to install it to and click on Install. It's now going to start downloading and installing. When it's finished, the pause button will be a play button, so you can click there and play it.